this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable applications. So if you have an application you don't want to see anymore, you can just go to settings. So let's go to settings right here, scroll on down to apps, go to see all apps and locate the app you don't want to see. So let's look at these apps here. Let's scroll on down. Maybe it's this specific app right here, Google TV. I don't know if we can disable this one, but we can see we have the option to disable it. If you disable this app, Android and other apps may no longer function as intended. Keep in mind you can't delete this app since it came pre-installed with the phone, but we can disable it. Alright, and then we shouldn't see it on our TV or anything like that, or on my phone. So I think that even if I go to like the Google folder, I probably won't be able to see it anymore. So let's just search for it, see if it's completely gone. I mean Google TV, not search. Okay, let's type this in, Google space TV. So it's completely gone from my phone. We're not going to see it. So a lot of these pre-installed apps, you can just go in and do that, and then you just won't simply see them. So let's just go back here and search for Google TV, and then we can enable it. So Google TV, here it is, enable, and now it's back on my device. We can clear the cache if we're having an issue and clear the storage if we want. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.